Want to prove your marketing brings profit? Let's track ROI in ServiceTitan. Open the ServiceTitan dashboard and go to the Marketing Performance tab. Set the date range to the campaign period you want to analyze. Filter by campaign, channel, or tag to isolate specific marketing efforts. Enable captions that highlight CAC, LTV, and ROI on the dashboard. Quickly scan the overview cards for cost, leads, and revenue totals. Locate customer acquisition cost labeled CAC and note the value. Find lifetime value or LTV per customer in the revenue breakdown. Calculate ROI, subtract marketing cost from revenue, then divide by cost. Use the dashboard calculator or export data to verify your ROI numbers. Set alerts and weekly reports to monitor CAC, LTV, and ROI automatically. Now you can optimize campaigns with confidence and prove marketing value.